Hi, I'm Sarah from sewingmastery.com, and if you've reached this video, we are in the middle of filming over 120 videos on the new Husqvarna Viking Designer EPIC 2 sewing and embroidery machine. So we do a small and short video on every page of the manual, and with a machine with this many features, there's going to be a lot of videos. So I hope you'll check the links below this YouTube video. You can find where all the videos we have done are hanging out right now that you can start working through. You can start sewing out your stitch book. If you own this machine, you've probably noticed how beautiful the stitches are. And we have a video you can watch called How to Make the Ultimate Stitch Book. That's you sewing out all your decorative stitches. And if you kind of like that, it's very relaxing actually, you should check out the Husqvarna Viking Stitching Cosmos online course. You get to watch me make this quilt right here from start to finish with over 25 different sewing techniques and 18 different presser feet. If you have no idea how the embroidery part works, I hope you'll also check out our Embroidery Essentials online course, where we will take you through a wonderful step-by-step unlimited access where you can do it at your own pace, 15 different embroidery techniques, and the repetition of each of them gets you more familiar with your screen and your buttons and your hoops and everything. This has so many features in it that even I'm blown away about what a sewing machine these days can actually do for me. Things that weren't even on my radar even just 5 years ago. So I hope you'll check out all the things that we have done. We're doing a highlights video as well. And again, you can watch 10 of the Stitching Cosmos online course videos for free. Again, all the links are below this YouTube video. And I can't wait to get through all these videos and have them out there for you to reference at any time that you're sitting down at this beautiful machine.